Trace-A-Matic is a CNC machining company. What exactly is CNC? It stands for Computer Numerical Control. It means we use computers to precisely control our machining equipment. We produce precision parts found in the things people rely on every day. Components for airplanes, trucks, trains, ships, medical devices, food, and energy production, to name a few. Everything starts with an idea. Mechanical engineers are responsible for turning these concepts into reality. They design parts electronically in a computer program called CAD, which stands for Computer Aided Design. These parts exist in a virtual state in every detail. This data can even be used to create models from a 3D printer. After a part is approved, the next step is to choose the CNC machine it will run on. The CAD file transfers into another computer program called CAM, Computer Aided Machining or Manufacturing. Tool selection and cutting path programming tell a CNC machine where and how to move, cut, and at what speed. G-code is the machining language used. We can simulate how the program will run on the machine to help eliminate production issues. The program loads onto the CNC machine, where a machinist will set up the job and ensure everything is ready for production. There are many machine types and machining operations. A lathe or turning center rotates the part while holding the cutting tool steady. A mill uses a powered cutting tool to machine parts. Other machines use both techniques to provide very sophisticated machining capability. It all goes back to selecting the proper machine and tooling to most effectively do the job. Machining is all about precision, and some parts require very tight tolerances. Quality assurance people use a CMM, or coordinate measuring machine, when accuracy is critical. Jet engine parts and alike fall under this category. People are needed to manage tooling, make fixtures to hold parts during machining, and other supportive roles. Our maintenance people keep the machines and facility running smoothly. There are so many opportunities at Trace-A-Matic to explore. A hands-on career in the trades is a great way to pursue and fulfill your career aspirations. You'll create finished products from raw metal with confidence as we teach you every step of the way. Join a team known for machining excellence. Join Trace-A-Matic. We are Precision CNC Machining.